Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to place multi-tracks. I mean, if your video is having more than one audio track and if it is not visible, then easily we can fix it. This video is having multi-audio tracks, but only one is visible because we need to enable the source audio track before we import videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it. Okay. Again, I'm going to try and dragging and drop. So only one track. I'm going to fix it now. So deleting again. So we need to enable this audio source. So only one track is enabled. If you want to place multi-tracks, you need to enable this audio sources. For example, my video is having 6 tracks, 6 audio tracks. So I'm going to enable 6 audio tracks. Okay, now I'm going to drag and drop. Now you can see this. So I have 6 audio tracks here. If you want, you can delete. You can remove also. So that's it, friends. This is the way you have to fix multi-audio track issue. So I'm going to delete. I'm going to explain one more time. Now 2 audio sources enabled. 2 audio track only will be visible because I have enabled only 2 audio tracks. So if you want 4, we need to enable 4 audio tracks. Drag and drop. Super cool. Again, enabling 5th and 6th. Super cool. So that's it, friends. This is the way you have to enable audio track to get multi-audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.